it's toast, and it's the egg is in between, so it's like an egg sandwich. Works also. And this is with parsley and tomato in it. So here we are, and I'm already on my way. It's 9 o'clock, and this is actually before I went to my hotel. I went here. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Enjoy the trip, yeah?
Yeah. So I before I got to my hotel, I bought a water rafting thing for today. So now I have my pickup. Yamakamo?
Putu.
Putu. Ah.
Yeah.
Maya saya Magnus.
Manus, yes.
Yeah.
This, yeah, Manus. Bapak Manus.
So yeah, water rafting. Forsränning in Swedish. So we're going there. So we're down here, and here is where it all starts. So yeah, let's get the phone down into the dry pack. Okay, so we're in the middle of the rafting. This is the Ayung River. It's so beautiful. Ayung means beautiful, and I can see why. It's so beautiful. And over here you can actually buy some bintang, beer, and also some noodles and stuff. Yeah, look at them. So this is very, sometimes it's rough and sometimes it's like very calm like this. Look at this. Amazing. And yet another beautiful picture of me in a helmet. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. De Mello. Oh yeah, now we finished, and now I'm upstairs, and I've had a shower, and now it's time for lunch, which is included in the price. You could also buy picture, and there were actually some of them were nice because I was standing up in the boat. I was allowed to, but there were 150,000. So, and that's about like 11 euros, $11, 110 spänn. So I thought it was it's a little bit too much for a picture, right? Or am I stupid? So here's time for fried noodles and vegetables, and yeah, I think that's it. Bon appetit! Look at this, I just asked for some spices and this is what I got. My yummy. So I just this is actually his personal one because I can have this one today, and tomorrow I will get another one. Yeah, and I'm back after the rafting. Now I'm at the pool. It's not perfect weather, but I think I just want to have a dip. Yeah, people have been sitting here and enjoying the view and planning ahead. And I've actually already booked for tomorrow. I'm going to do ATV. I have to Google that. Yeah, so ATV stands for all-terrain vehicle. So it's like a small truck, but not truck. But it's like they have like 4 balloon-sized tires, and then you sit on it. It's like a straddle, like a something like. But no, it's bigger than the table. But yeah, and you use it to go off the road, off-road, like in dirt roads and stuff like that, and like difficult terrain. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I've never done it before. I've already booked it for tomorrow, so they're gonna pick me up at 8:30, I think, and we're gonna do that, and also going through water and stuff like little small rivers and stuff like that. Well, yeah, so that's been settled, and I've also already booked the day after that a cooking class. A cooking class. They're going to pick me up, and then we go into the market to buy some vegetables. So then you see how that all works in the market, a local market, and then we go to probably someone's home where they have the cooking class, and we're gonna make around like 8 or 9 dishes. So so there's so many things you can do here, and I want to go up like a hike on one of the volcanoes. I rented a motorbike, and I want to do some temples that was very special. And what else? Oh yeah, there's a bike tour you can do. So then they pick you up and you go up to the north of Ubud, and then you sort of bike downhill. I've also done that before, but maybe this is a different route, and it's just lovely to go through the small villages and see the landscape of Bali in the north, because it's beautiful there. And I want to do some waterfalls chasing. So, you know, the days doesn't sum up. What I've done is I had this place for 5 days, but now I prolonged it for 1 more day. So that gives me going to Seminyak and going to be there for 3 days before I leave to Thailand. I can stay here even more days if I want to, but I also want to be in Seminyak for like not only 1 day. And Seminyak is also closer to the airport where I'm flying to Thailand. And then we'll see what happens in Thailand. I'm flying to Bangkok, but then directly I have a transfer to the north of Thailand, to Chiang Mai. And we'll see what happens there. It's like 5:30, 6, so it's time to go out and have some dinner. But I mean, love this place. So I've been out and driving my scooter, and I ended up here in Batanvaru, which is a very nice little restaurant, and hopefully they have some nice food. And I'm taking like a plate with a lot of small dishes. And it's in Indonesian. It's called nasi garu, I think. And here it is, you guys. Nasi campur it's called. So you have like this is beans, and you have chicken, and you have, I think this is chicken satay, and you have things down here, and the beans, and or more chili, and this is tofu and something. Whoa, nasi campur. This is special. Do you see? It's like a shrimp inside this. I can tell you, this is also very strong, but it makes you go and that also really nice. Yeah, that's vegan. This is vegan. Here we have some nuts and stuff. Vegan. I don't know what that is. Could be vegan. Yeah, this is definitely going up to the scale. For you haven't heard about it, is above sort of. It's sort of when my mouth makes spontaneous and then there's a scale from 1 to 5. So even if you have like 1, it's very, 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 very good. But this is like, this is a solid 3. The chicken is with peanut butter, something kind of like, and also the nuts is very good. The sambal is very good. The tofu was maybe the least, but the bean salad here was very good. Oh, I haven't even tasted that. The satay. Stocked with flavors. Stocked? I meant packed. Packed with flavors.